Hi, today I am going to show you how to interfacing relay module with Arduino. This video is the second part of the 4-channel relay module. Let's start our project. Things needs for our project: a 4-channel relay module, a Arduino Uno or similar board, some male jumper wire are about 6 pieces. So for our project we only need these 3 things. Let's set up the hardware. First we connect 4 jumper from the input pin N1, N2, N3 and N4 of relay module to the digital pin 2, 3, 4 and 5 of the Arduino, like this. Now we connect the ground pin to the Arduino. And the VCC pin connect from the module to the pin 5V of the Arduino. After wiring complete, it looks like this. Now power on the Arduino board by connecting your computer using the USB cable. Before we work on our sketch, make sure to download the Arduino IDE for our specific operating system. I'll leave a link in my description box where download the software and code. You can check it. So this is our whole program. It is a very simple program. The code in the setup part of the program tells the Arduino that pins 2, 3, 4 and 5 as output. In void loop there are 2 steps. In first step, first 2 digital function about turn on and turn off the LED at a time with a 2000 millisecond or 2 second delay between turn on and turn off. This sequence will maintain for the next 6 digital pin. In second step, first 4 digital writes function about turn on the LED at a time with 1000 or 1 second delay. On the next 4 digital write function, turn off the LEDs with a 1000 millisecond or 1 second. Now we verify our program. You can verify it by clicking the right icon. You can see there are no errors showing the black box. Before upload the program, go to the tools and check the board. Make sure the board selected Arduino Uno and port selected on COM3. Click on the upload button on the top corner and upload the program your Arduino board. After uploading the program on Arduino board, we connect a battery to provide power supply. After connect a battery, your output will appear on the circuit. You can see that our relay module start working and LEDs start to emit. Using this code, you can also run lights, fan and motors. You can also make a home automation project. So that's for today. So at the end, please share and subscribe my channel.